Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. We're going to try another security light. This is from Costco, and this one is 110. It's not, there's no battery in it. It has dawn to dusk. It has motion sensor only. It has motion sensor plus dawn to dusk, I guess, so that if it's on low, except when it sees some motion, then it turns on high. Anyway, the one that I got, let me show you here. Excuse me. This one, wow, it's bright out here. This one doesn't work right. When it turns on, when there's motion detected, in the darkness, not right now, but in the darkness, but then it shuts right off, even though I've got it set to 1 minute, 3 minute, 10 minute, whatever. It just shuts itself off. So there's something wrong with the circuit board or the sensors or something. Anyway, I'm going to take this off, put that other one up here, and we'll see how that goes. Okay? So this one I'm taking down has a little plug that's covering up the screw that you need to undo to get it off. Okay, so unscrew that, and then there's just this plate that comes off with another screw. Pretty much all of these outdoor lights are 3 wires. A hot, which is the white, a ground, which is the black one, and usually white to white, black to black, and then a neutral, which could be a bare copper wire, and then a green. So take those 3 off, and I think this one's going to work. Okay, so this is better. This is a standard connection made to go to a standard electrical box on the exterior of a house. And this is metal. I'm pretty sure it's metal. You see that somewhere? Die-cast aluminum. So that other one was plastic. So I think I'm going to like this one better if it works. Well, let's stick it up there. Well, I lost a little track of filming that, but I can describe to you what to do. The green wire goes to the copper color, or green if you have green. Black goes to black, white goes to white. The screw in the center that attaches the whole thing to the mounting plate was too long. So it bottomed out, so I could not tighten the fixture up against the stucco. So I had to get another screw, which I had extra screws laying around, and now it tightened up good, and then there's a little rubber button there that goes to cover the hole. It has different settings. Test setting, let me show you. Turn the power switch on inside the garage. Oh, there we go. Test setting just turns it on no matter what. These are the sensors. No matter what the sensor is doing or what the timer is doing, test just turns it on. And I'm going to set it for 10 minutes on, medium sensitivity of the sensor, and then it shuts itself off. So, okay, give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Ring the bell if you want notification. Be safe, have fun. Froggy out, let's go Brandon. And I'm gonna put a seal of silicone across the top there so that when it rains, the rain won't get in there. You could put a seal all the way around if you want to, or at least the top half of it. Okay, sorry, I got out of frame. Seal it with silicone around the top half. Just a little bead. Okay? See ya.